Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to request for a Citrix Cloud Service subscription. Okay. So once you log into the Citrix Cloud Service, once you log into Citrix Cloud Console, you see a lot of services here. If you see here, you see request demo, request demo, request demo. Okay. You see request demo options here. I will talk about request demo in this particular video. Let me go to the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So, purchasing cloud service subscriptions. You can buy a service subscription at any time during your trial or during the data retention period. So, while using your trial period, during the trial period, you can buy the subscription if you require, or you can also do it during the data retention period. Once you buy the subscription, after you buy the subscription, your trial is converted to a production service. Your trial is automatically converted to a production service. Administrators and users can access the service, and any data that you added during the trial remains intact. So if administrators and users have added access some service or used any data, that will be remained in the cloud service that you added during the trial remains intact. It will be there. So let's go to the next point. Okay, if you want to request a service demo, okay, so we have seen request demo option in the cloud services console. For some services, you may request a demo from a Citrix sales representative before you can try out the service. Okay, so for some services, you need to request for the demo. You cannot directly request for the trial. You need to request for the demo. So once you request for the demo, requesting a demo allows you to discuss your organization's cloud service needs with the Citrix sales representative. So once you request for the demo, somebody from Citrix sales team will contact and they will ask your requirement. They will understand your business. They may ask how many number of users, what are your requirements. Based upon that, they will recommend the service to you. Also, the sales representative ensures you have all the information needed to use the service successfully. As I just explained, the sales representative from Citrix will ensure that your needs are met. Okay, sign into your Citrix Cloud account. So from management console, select request demo for the service that you want. So you have to click on request demo. The services demo request page appears. Complete and submit the form. A Citrix sales representative contacts you to provide more information and walk you through using the service. So once you click on request demo, you will get it will ask you to submit some details like what is your name, how many number of employees, what's your email address, basic details. So once you fill up those details, once you submit it, the details will be sent to Citrix sales team and they will look at it and they will come back to you on this. Okay, so when you are ready to convert your trial to a production service, you need to visit the site and you need to have the organization ID ready. Okay, to buy the service, you need to have your organization ID ready. Your organization ID appears on the customer menu in the top right corner of the Citrix Cloud Management console. Your organization ID is also, your organization ID also appears in the account settings page. So I will show the organization ID to you. So once you go here, click on this arrow, you see account settings here. Once you click on account settings, you see organization ID here. You see organization ID. So you need to provide these details to the Citrix sales team. When you want to buy the subscription, you need to have the organization ID details handy with you. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.